This tutorial will show you how to select the right specialized database for your topic. If you aren't finding enough specialized articles in the multi-topic general databases like Academic Search or JSTOR or EJC, you may want to confine your search to a more in-depth database that is limited to one special field like sociology or education. And sometimes professors in upper-level courses will tell you to use a database that's standard in your field, like PsycInfo for psychology or CINAHL for nursing. If you know the name of the database you have to use, from the library's homepage, library.defiance.edu, click on the Database A to Z tab to bring up the alphabetical list of all the databases, and then click on the one you need. But what if you don't know which databases are best for a specific specialized topic? One way to find them is by using the Research Guide tab on the library's homepage. The drop-down menu will bring up a list of guides which Defiance College librarians have created to guide you to the best resources on a particular topic. Let's select criminal justice from the list and click on Go. The Criminal Justice Research Guide lists 2 suggestions for databases that are good for this topic, Nexus Uni and Criminal Justice Abstracts. Click on the title of the database to enter. Criminal Justice Abstracts only searches criminal justice-related resources, so you won't be distracted by retrieving articles from newspapers or general interest magazines like Time or Discover. Let's try a search on stalking. As you can see from these icons, most of the hits are in academic journals in the field of criminal justice. We'll X out of these 2 tabs and go back to the library's homepage. Another way to find a special database is to click on the Database A to Z tab and then here where it says Database A to Z in blue. On this screen is a box in the upper right corner labeled Search for Databases. Enter a subject in the box like Education or History and click on Go. You will then have a list of suggestions of databases related to the topic. If you're unfamiliar with the database, click where it says More to read a description of the coverage. Click on the title of the database to enter. We can then do a search on special education in Ohio, and then be confident that the articles we retrieved in this database are going to be from journals in the specialized field. Another thing you can do is to ask your professor or a librarian to recommend the best database for your particular topic. To contact a librarian, click on the tab for the library's homepage. You can use the chat feature in their upper right corner, or click on Go To and staff contact information. Thanks for viewing our tutorial on how to find a specialized database.